Hey there, money enthusiasts. Today, we are diving into a classic dilemma. Should you prioritize paying off your mortgage or saving for retirement? It's a question that keeps many of us up at night, and I'm here to help unravel the mystery. So, let's get started. First things first, let's talk about the mortgage versus retirement savings debate. Now, I know what you're thinking, sure, but what's the big deal? Well, let me tell you, it's all about the long game. You see, paying off your mortgage early can be like finding a hidden treasure. It's a guaranteed 5% tax-free return, or whatever interest rate you'd be paying otherwise. That's right, you're essentially locking in a solid return without any of the market volatility. But here's the catch, it's a long-term commitment. You've got to stick with it, and that means no skipping payments. Now, let's talk about retirement savings. With a KiwiSaver growth fund, you might get a return of 5 to 8% over a decade. But here's the thing, the market can be unpredictable. It could be higher, or it could be lower. And that's where the risk comes in. You've got to manage the downside, and that's no easy feat now. Here's where things get interesting. It's not just about the numbers, it's about your personality and your situation. For instance, if you're a long-term investor with a solid time horizon, you might be able to handle the risk of a KiwiSaver growth fund. But if you're a short-term investor or need the money sooner, a balanced or conservative fund might be more suitable. Now, let's talk about the bigger picture. If you can go into retirement with a mortgage-free home, you're likely to have less stress and more financial freedom. But if you're still working, you might want to consider the tax implications. For instance, if you're earning more than your NZ Super, you might want to switch your income to a secondary tax code. Now, here's the thing, it's not just about the numbers, it's about your personal circumstances. For example, if you're single and paying market rent, you might want to prioritize saving for retirement. But if you're married and have a stable income, you might be able to afford to pay off your mortgage early. So, there you have it. The mortgage versus retirement savings debate is all about finding the right balance for your situation. It's a delicate dance between risk and reward, and it's all about making the right choices for your future. So, what do you think? Are you ready to take the plunge and tackle your mortgage or save for retirement? Let me know in the comments below. And don't forget to sign up for Money with Susan Edmonds, a weekly newsletter that covers all the things that affect how we make, spend, and invest money. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.